Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. And today my youngest daughter Pakiza will make chocolate crinkles and will gonna share it with you. Please stay tuned until the end. Thank you.
Know you've been a good friend, and that's in the thick and thin, and I know it's never gonna end, 'cause you've been a good friend.
What? 1/4 cup because it's 2 cups, right? Okay, then sugar. How they will know that you are really the one who's making it and not me?
By my voice. And also our clothes is not matching.
Know you've been a good friend, and that's in the thick and thin, and I know it's never gonna end, 'cause you've been a good friend.
Use the wood one.
The wood one is not nice.
Let's
All
try.
the batter will stick to it, Mama.
Yeah, but you have to keep it then.
But Mama, no, not
Do as you wish.
because all the batter will stick to it. Where's that thing where for like cake? That rubber?
You don't have silicone. I think you better use your hand.
No.
Wash your hand and then mix it with your hand. Go like making the dough.
Disgusting.
Why? That's why you have to wash your hand. Go.
No, I'm not saying disgusting. That I'm saying disgusting because I don't like the feeling of dough.
Okay, I'll do it then.
No.
Yeah, that's right. Remove it all.
You know your daughter's maarte, the daughter that
So I
never
hate
wanted to-
maarte. So do
No,
it
the
nicely.
daughter that never wanted to sit on the floor since young age.
So I don't want maarte, so you have to change that.
Mommy, but you have been raising it.
No,
No,
you cannot be always maarte. Because there are some places and some...
Oh, that's when I have to, but this is I don't have to do this anymore. I'll just
Clean it.
I can't clean it now. I will just clean it later.
Okay, hurry up.
I don't know how to do this.
Now you have to know then. Fast. I'm in a hurry. I need to do something.
To do it.
No. How can I leave you like that?
Kawaji. Not like
All your veggie, OMG.
not like she's doing anything. Did we forget baking powder? No, we already put baking powder.
What's that?
What?
Roll it.
How?
It's all mixed. Okay. Make like a
Wait,
ball.
Oh.
Right? Okay. Then clean the sides. Hurry up. It should be like that because
Well, isn't it supposed to not stick on your hand?
it's a crinkle. It's not a... It's a crinkle.
Wait, I'm removing the salt, sugar that is...
No, it's okay. You will eat the sugar then. Just
no,
like
I meant
that.
I'm squishing it.
Clean the sides. Hurry up.
And these batters for fingering.
Yeah. That's how hard to work before you eat. If you want something, you have to work hard.
Well, Mama, I'm gonna open my own cafe. Of course, I'm gonna do this every day.
So how can you do if you move like that? So your customers will get mad at you because it's
Of
so
course, I'm
slow.
first I'm gonna study about it. Look at it, great.
You will get bored of waiting.
No, I meant I'm first gonna go to school, get put my stuff here, learn about that, then start a business. Also, I'm gonna cook at home. Also, I'm not gonna cook at home.
So practice now as long as you are young.
How
So
can I
before you
practice? That looks nice.
before you have that restaurant, you are already expert. Fast. Clean the sides. Yes, like that.
Can't wait. I'm taking my precious time.
Yes.
It's too sticky.
Yes, of course.
It's for the first time.
First time is always hard.
I don't think this does for fingering.
You are not using your finger, you are using your hand.
Well, I
So it
don't
means
think this
It's
does
for hand work.
I don't think this does for handering.
No?
Well, I feel like I'm using my fingers.
So use your hand, not your finger then. Because if you will use your fingers, it will take time. Okay, enough. Make it round. Make like a ball.
All of it?
We will place it on the freezer so that we just need 1 hour. Then we can start cooking. That's all. Here, done. Cover it.
We're gonna show them our empty freezer.
Okay. Put it, yes. Here. Oh no, round it first in your palm. Yes. Like that. Then, yes. So no worries for the germs because you're the one who will cook it and you're the one who's cooking it. And you will be
I already washed my hands.
so you will be the one to eat it. Yes, like that.
And we don't want to eat it. Papa's don't want to eat it.
Yeah, I know.
You know him.
I know that your puppies loves the sweets. So
Don't you? It's all sticking on my hand.
no, put it first here. I told you to make it round first. Just like that, and then insert this inside, like just like that.
My hand looks disgusting.
It's okay. Yes, like that. Cover it, and then make it round again. I think it's better you make it
I'm telling
flat.
you, make it. That's why I was gonna put it on top of it.
Make it flat. Yeah, just like that.
Know you've been a good friend, and that's in the thick and thin. And I know it's never gonna end.